Paneltim is a versatile design and construction material. Using common machines and powered hand tools, it's possible to fabricate an endless range of lighter, stronger, more durable, and easier to keep clean structures. You can process the panels with traditional woodworking tools such as saws, drills, routers, and readily available rotary bits. It's easy to cut standard panels to length and/or width with a circular saw, panel saw, or track saw. To connect the panels, you can use plastic or metal profiles and common hardware, but soon you will want to learn how to plastic weld, as this way you will create stronger applications with nice flat surfaces and perfectly sealed edges. The lightweight and square edges of the panels speeds up assembly, eliminating a lot of the clamping, blocking, and bracing during construction. With our internal rib structure, you can cut accesses, windows, and doorways wherever you wish. And there are a number of ways to close the cut cell's open edges of our panels. Paneltim is easy to work with, whether in a controlled workshop or creating structures on a job site. Customizing the panels in your workshop and welding the various sub-assemblies together on site can save you transportation costs and installation time. I guarantee you, once you have tried Paneltim, it will change the way that you build certain things. In the upcoming series of short videos, we'll go into more detail about the tools commonly used and fabrication techniques.